Uba Vincent Espela, President ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uloong bakani ke sorkar bamenta imat ke khamla e ke khalai ban ni nonghikai ni nongïalam shnong. Kani ke jing tho bapala kalong halo ke rai penyai kasino ha ke jela wat ha ke badon ke jing persya ni babon ke benta khamtam na kalyang nongïalam balang. Uloong bakani ke de kam bam sap batbu jingkli ayu ke sorkar khamilti na ki khalai habala ban pemi pisa na kwepat ke bentaru.
Abade bat ka gaming act ma kiong menin ngarang ai ka jingkren hapo mairang ban ong yakinong hikai kinumsha bikin kren namta ka politics yakinong hikai kimsha ba kin kren ban pensyai nam tau pai ba henry yaka khalai pat kisha mo yaka khalai kisha ki I license yakinong khalai kisha pen I mentah ka ni ka juk kidang khamla kinong khalai kidang la khamla kinong khalai bani ki businessman bani kinong rep bani kinong hikai tengi kum ka parti kongres ni persya ye kene ka ain bat ngatrai ba baro ka we ka balang ki balang ba fer ki lai kundu inga ki persya ye kene ngatrai ka we ki si ka comment kampanse ka withdraw ye kene ladai ki withdraw pen I ba kaladon ke salendet pi ngi isna ain na menta ka jing bhau pai ba thabo pai ba umman ka balang ki mon ki 80% hangni ki persya ya kane ka ain bale ki pa be impose pai example kino ki projects ne ki schemes lene ki policy bengisna nam tau pai ba haba ki pai ba ki persya bale ki impose ladam don ki jingyo ka palat ban ya kata ka ba de ban yo tengi persya ikane ngakarmen ba they have to withdraw it one day. Revenue is part of it, but you have to look when you calculate a revenue. Whatever revenue we have, we can get revenue from coal, we can get revenue from limestone, we can get revenue from different resources we have. Even the revenue we are supposed to get in huge. What do you expect from the gamblers? What do you expect from the gamblers? We got revenue from all sources. Those revenues has gone to certain pockets. So how do you expect to get revenue from the gamblers? When the people are poor, who will go for the gambling? Only they get money from license. If the people are poor, if you make the people very poor, so only big people will go for the pumping. And then if they don't get revenue from all the resources which they are supposed to get, from where they'll get resources from the gambling? What revenue they get? Have they done any projections? Have they come in the public domain that these are revenue? Have they given a blueprint how they'll get the revenue? Nothing will happen. I don't think they'll allow it. I don't think the people will be happy with it. So if the public are not happy, what they'll get revenue out?